In my many years of automotive journalism, the Volkswagen Tiguan has been one of my favorite cars to drive every day. It offers a combination of size, practicality, performance, and features that's really hard to beat at a price that it comes at. But what we are driving today is the brand new generation of the Tiguan. This is the R-Line. This is an absolutely new Tiguan. And how does it fare for Indian roads? Well, we're going to find out today when we drive it here from the iconic Gateway of India all the way down to Surat. What do we think about it? What are its features like? What's the performance? What's the space? We're going to tell you all about it in our video today. So we started off our day from the Gateway of India. You know, South Bombay has its own charm, and especially at an iconic location like the Gateway of India, it's pretty fun. We were there early morning, so there's not much crowd. We could park our cars. What were we essentially doing? Well, what we are doing is being a part of the Volkswagen Experiences. It's a program that Volkswagen India runs to allow customers and non-customers to experience their products, to understand what German engineering is all about, and to experience firsthand what makes their cars so fun to drive. What are we driving? Well, that's an important part. This is the brand new Tiguan. This is the new generation car. It's all new. It's got a completely different design language outside and inside. But today we are not doing a review. No, I'll hold on to that when I get the car in Delhi in detail. Because as our long-term readers and viewers would know, I'm a big Tiguan fan. I've been driving Tiguans off and on for the past 6 years, and I've had a great time with all of them. So we're going to talk about the Tiguan later on. What Volkswagen is doing in this drive is basically it's a relay drive, and they're trying to set a new record for a convoy of passenger vehicles going from the Gateway of India to the India Gate in Delhi. Ours is the first leg, so we left from the Gateway of India. We are heading towards Surat, a town I've not really spent much time in. In fact, we are going to the Diamond Bourse there. It's a massive office area for diamond trading, so that's going to be an interesting experience. I will tell you a few things about the Tiguan. The big display here completely sort of revolutionizes how the Tiguan's perception is going to be. You, of course, get another digital instrument cluster, great seats, great bolstering, very, very good to drive. It's the same 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, slightly different tune, and big 19-inch wheels. I'll save the rest for the review when I do it later. As of now, we've left Bombay. Just getting out of Bombay can be a pretty tiresome task. It took us 2 hours, even though we started very early in the morning. And we are on the rather busy Bombay-Delhi highway, heading towards Surat. More about the drive and what the car is like once we get to Surat. So our leg of the Volkswagen Experiences is complete. We've reached Surat, and the massive building that you see behind me is the Surat Diamond Bourse, also known as Diamond City. It's actually simply massive, over 5.5 lakh square meters of area. But you know, this was just part of the deal. We had a pretty eventful drive. Took us about 5 odd hours to cover 300 kilometers to Surat. So we've done our leg of the Volkswagen Experience. Like I said earlier, Volkswagen's trying to set a new record for vehicles, for passenger vehicles, to go from Gateway of India in Bombay to India Gate in Delhi. So, I mean, our leg is done. I have to say, I said earlier, like I'm not going to do a review of the car, but it drives fantastically well. The interior feels like a massive upgrade, and I'm genuinely excited to review this car very, very soon. So that's what we did. We had a good experience. The car's fantastic. And the experience, the short drive I have with it, is now making me look forward to the review even more. So if you can try the Volkswagen, or if you're in the market for a mid-size SUV, you have a new choice. and the Volkswagen Experiences also come highly recommended.